Hi teachers, I hope you have this Casio 9960 or 9860 desktop emulator. If you don't have, please ask me. I can provide you the link to download. So let's get started. The basic functions of this Casio, because whenever you turn it on and off, now this is the main menu you will see. So because these icons are representing run math, means the normal mathematics which you can operate, statistics and spreadsheet, graph, dynamic graphs, table, recursive formulas for sequences, program, equation, conics, etc. So there are different things, memory, which you need to reset, or you need to ask your students to reset when they go for their final examination. So we'll cover few things today and then we will be connected in order to see other functionalities. So let's say very briefly, I'm going to click on the first option, which is run math. If you click this EXE button, this will work as an enter button. And now you can actually operate here the normal calculations. Let's say 52 times 6 and sine of 30. It's 0.5 because of sine 30 is half. You can actually set for degrees and radians. Now for that, there are the setup buttons here. So in the menu button, but it will go with shift. Shift and menu, you will see this option. And here you can see the angle is degree. That's why it's showing half. You can change it at any time using F1 for degree, F2 because it is just above the F2. That's why you need to press F2. So I just don't want to change it. It's okay for me to have in degrees. So same with apply with logarithms. Anything you can operate, and how you can use answers. Let's say I just want to use 3 times sine 52. This answer I want to use in my another calculation. Let's say I just want to take square root of that. So you click on shift and square root. Now this answer is here. So this will go with shift button. Click on shift and then click answer. Now enter, you will have that. So ln natural log sine inverse. So let's say shift sine, I'm just entering a random number, let's say -1, right? And I'll get negative 90 degrees. So shift tangent of 1 be 45. So very easy. Shift button will help most of the operations here. And if there are certain values in decimals, let's say 5 times 2.3, and you have this conversion in fractions like this, look, fractions to decimals. It's 23 divided by 2 or 11.5. So that you have to click on this button. For improper fractions or mixed fractions, you can use this button. And for the powers, let's say this x, theta, and t means for the variables which we are going to use in the graphing things or other ways. So setup is important. Option is also will open many doors for you. Look, when you click on the option, there are many options. List, mat, cplx, complex, calculate, stat. This arrow means you can click on F6 to move or to see more things. Let's say we want to figure out the factorials. So go to probability. Here you have factorial, NTR, NCR. If I click on NCR and I'll remove those answers because I have to enter first number. Let's say I want to click find out 10, then NCR for 2. So it's 10 times 9 divided by 1 times 2. It should be 45, right? Let's verify. Yes, it's correct. Now, same way we can do the 10 PR.